Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I'm so excited because I'm unboxing one of my favorite new boxes, Woman's Collective. So if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you like this channel, its content, please subscribe, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And yes, I am on a shirt buzz. So let's get into it. This is the second box. I think it's a quarterly box, and it's $49.95 and some shipping. But as always, I will have the amount and a discount code if there's one in everything going below. But what's great about this box, it's a by woman, for women, donations to women, everything woman. So it is for a great cause. So let's get into it. It comes with this great pamphlet, and it talks about the featured artist that's going to be in this quarterly box, and I just can't wait to get it. I am going back to Washington the end of next week, so I'm trying to catch up on all my filmings because it was like a last minute thing. So I had to put a lot of my boxes on pause till I get back, but I'm so glad I got this one. So it comes beautifully wrapped. You see it? And the card is, when women come together, amazing thing happens. And it says, Robin, thank you for your continued support. I hope you love the summer box, Rochelle. And it's always nice to get such personal notes, and especially when they spell my name right. So I'm so excited to get into it. And oh, look at, I'm dropping things already. And I'm not sure what I dropped. It just looks like a sticker. And look at this beautiful bag. And it sounds like it's straws. Wow. And it comes with the cleaners. Is there anything else in here? But, oh my God, this smells like peppermint or something. I think there's a card or something in here, and you know, or if you don't know me, my struggles with boxes, bags, everything is just a real thing. Okay. I can't get it out. It's getting closer. Aha. Oh my God, this bag smells delicious. Thank you for purchasing a Holly Hall straw set with a reusable pouch. Each pouch is designed at the Holly Hall studio in Savannah, Georgia. We struggle to find, they don't know what struggle is. We struggle to find reusable straw sets that reflect our personal aesthetic and unique personality, so we created our own with fun and playful patterns. Spot clean any stains and wash with cold water in delicate cycle. Lay your pouch flat dry. We love to see our sets in use, so please use, they have their hashtag, to put a smile on our faces. Wow. I don't understand. So there's this, and there's this, and there's the brush cleaner, but does this, what is this I'm so confused. I might have to call them for directions. So there's a straw, the straw cleaner. But I don't understand. Okay, but look at this bag. In this bag, I wish you can smell it. It smells like peppermint. So I don't know if it's something in the box or just this bag, but it smells great. And I'm just gonna take a second. Okay, you guys have to know me by now. This was driving me crazy. This bag just smells so good. So I don't know if it's something in the box. So this is the straw, okay? And this is the straw because it's for little cocktails. Can you see that? There's my light in the way. But it's a little cocktail straw. I'm so loving it. It's the little things that make me happy. So we've got like the big straw and the little straw. And then this can clean even the little straw. Okay, please don't leave me now. We just got started. And then this bag is washable. So it's definitely gonna be going in my bag. What a great idea. I've never seen a little cocktail straw before. Okay, and then in the little book, it explains about the company. So I just love this box. And then the next thing, I promise I'll speed up the video so I don't spend this much time. It looks like, is this earrings? I don't know. Maybe in August. So we have this, but I don't know what these are. It'd be too small to be earrings. We'll get back to those when I discover them. Oh, and then we have the Soom pomegranate. This is an eye mask. And I've tried this mask before. So that's really nice. Oh my God, there's some beautiful things in here. The Better Farm. Look at this, it's one of those when you go to the farmer's market. Look at this bag, but, oh, the bag has that smell too, so there must be something in this box. This is such a cute bag. How many of you go to farmers markets by where you live? Up in Washington, there is a farmers market in this small town called Roslyn. And I'm not sure if it's on just Sundays, but they have a farmer's market. It is so cute. They have, you know, obviously the fruits and vegetables, popcorn and food and jewelry. And I so look forward because they have those Walla Walla onions that Washington has. And we have to go so I can get all the fruits and vegetables, but they're not going to do it this summer. I already looked it up and they canceled this summer, which I'm sure a lot of farmer markets have. But this would be such a great bag. So I'm kind of bummed, but loving the bag. And let's see who made that bag. Okay, the bag is the Better Farm Company bag. And it is by Lindsay Jepson. She's the owner of the company. But I'm just loving that bag. So that's nice. And then we have one more item that looks fun. Wow. Not sure what this is, but it's got that smell. So I'm so excited because something in there smells. It's like this whole box and it's good. That is beautiful. And this is little Corvus. But this would make a nice runner as well. How creative is this box? So let's check this one out. I don't think it's a towel. This is Little Corboose. Get out my glasses. Little Corboose founder April Nemeth doesn't do things by halves. Her deep-rooted artistic passion has seen her collaborate with iconic brands such as West Elm, Urban Outfitters, and I can't pronounce the word. So let's see what this is. I guess it's a towel. They just show it hanging up. Can you see that? So it just might be a dish towel, you know, to hang in your kitchen, but I already know I'm going to use it as a table runner. I just love table runners. So that was nice. And oh, I think I found the smell. Oh, there it is. This is Luxe. It's a shower steamer. I am not a big bath taker, and we get bath items in so many of our boxes, and I love a shower steamer, but I don't want to use it because I'll lose the smell. Look at that. I wish you guys could smell this, and look at the nice packaging. Oh, that is awesome. What the heck is in this thing? Peppermint, rosemary, and lemon. 100% pure essential oil aromatherapy shower steamer. Now I have to see where I order more of this. But that's what it looks like. And if you guys love shower steamers, this is a shower steamer. And I just have to find this because, oh, is this it? Kate & Co. Aromatherapy Shower Steamer. It's by Caitlin Ashbeer. She's the owner, and it looks like it's out of Atlanta, Georgia, and I am going to track her down. Yeah, she's got a hashtag on here, Kate & Co. Track this down and see if I can order more, and if she makes like candles and anything else, because this scent is just sensational. And we have one more thing in here, and I can already tell I'm gonna love it. And this is a beach blanket, and it's in pink. So this is just, I just love this box. It's got a little bit of everything, and it's definitely geared towards this woman. Look at this blanket. Wow. I love the color of it. It's got the stripes. It's got the fringe. Make sure it's long enough for the bod. Wow. And this actually will be going with me to Washington. I'm gonna stick it in my little bag, because I don't think I have a beach blanket up there. Woman's Collective, and it's made for the subscription box. What do you think of this? And of course, I'm not gonna wash it because it has that great smell on there. So we have, I'm gonna read up on this. We have this great beach blanket, the shower steamer. And how great is it to get a shower steamer and not a bath product? Nothing against bath takers, but And I'm going to use this as a table runner. And I love this bag. God, I just wish the fruit markets were open. And these are earrings. They are made, you could get a choice of 4. They're very tiny. So I don't know, I definitely won't use them. So I will have to gift them, or if somebody could use these little tiny earrings. I don't even know how they've got the little thing for the back. So let me know if you would like these little tiny earrings. And the eye mask. And I have to say, my favorite thing in the whole box was these straws. Oh my goodness. And the fact, look at how pretty they are. And they have the name on there. So let me know what you thought of this box. And I wanted to check up on that blanket. And if there's any product in here that wowed you, please email me or Instagram me, and I can let you know the name. So if you want to order it, you can. And I think the owner is Lauren. The owner is Lauren Hunter. And so if you want to find out more about the beach blanket and if that's something you like, but as I said, once I wrap everything up, I made a note so that I could definitely go to the website and check on the owner that makes the shower steamers and get some more of those, or see if she makes a candle in the same scent. But I thought this was a great box. And as soon as I get back, I am going to pick up my subscription. I will leave the link and everything below. So if you want to pick the subscription up for yourself, I just think it's great. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.